Life often pauses you at a crossroads. You feel it deep within your heart, a quiet stirring, a reminder that there is more to your journey than what the eyes can see. Yet the mind hesitates and questions. Should I move forward or should I wait? It is in this moment, between movement and stillness, that every soul wonders, what is written for me? Some say, strive and seek, for effort brings reward. Others say, what is written will come to you, for Allah's decree never misses its path. So which is true? Do we chase destiny, or does destiny find us? The answer, as many scholars of the heart remind us, lies not in argument, but in surrender. Surrender to qadar, the divine decree of Allah. For destiny is neither a prison nor a random event. It is the unfolding of Allah's wisdom in your life. What is meant for you will never pass you by, but you are still called to walk the path, to strive with sincerity, and to trust the outcome to Allah. If you have waited long for something that never came, or sought truth you could not yet grasp, do not despair. Allah's timing is perfect, and His plan unfolds with mercy. The path of destiny is not a straight road, but a living journey, one where every step, every delay, and every detour carries divine purpose. So walk with faith. What Allah has written for you will reach you, not because you chase it, but because He brings it to you when your heart is ready. We wonder what has been written for me. When was it written? Can it ever change? Ibn Arabi answered with depth. He said, destiny has two faces. One face is fixed in the knowledge of God, where all things are known from eternity. The other face unfolds in time, moment by moment, as you walk the path of life. Everything is known in the divine presence. But to you, this knowledge is hidden. You do not see the whole book. You are given one page at a time, revealed only when its moment arrives. This is what Ibn Arabi called the discovered destiny. When something happens to you, it is not that the event is born for the first time. That event existed already in the ocean of being. What changes is your awareness. You awaken to what has always been. This means destiny is not only something that happens to you. It is something that speaks to you, interacts with you, transforms you. What you call coincidence is often nothing more than a line written long ago, now ready to be read. So when life surprises you, instead of asking, why did this happen to me? Ask, what is this moment showing me? Destiny is not merely a conclusion. It is a revelation. And what matters is not that destiny is fixed, but how you walk with it. For destiny is not a line drawn outside you. It is a text written inside you. And every soul must learn how to read the true meaning of trust. One of the most misunderstood words in the path is tawakkul, trust in God. Many think trust means to sit still, to do nothing, to wait silently for life to carry them. Others think it means to throw all responsibility onto fate and excuse themselves from effort. But Ibn Arabi clarified, this is not trust. This is passivity. True trust means to use your will fully, to take every step you can to knock on the doors before you, and then, after doing all you can, to hand the result back to God. There are two common mistakes. 1. Doing nothing but praying without lifting a finger. 2. Trying to control everything, forgetting surrender. The real trust lies in the middle. Action married with surrender. Effort clothed in humility. Your task is not to force the door open. Your task is to walk to the door and knock. Whether it opens or not is God's affair. Trust does not cancel your will. It polishes it, makes it transparent. You choose, you act, you strive, but you know in the deepest chamber of the heart that the end rests with Him. Without this inner awareness, waiting becomes an excuse. Someone who says, "My destiny hasn't come yet," but takes no step is not waiting for destiny. They are waiting for a miracle to relieve them of responsibility. But destiny often appears on the road of those who move. To wait is not wrong, but waiting must be alive, not idle. True tawakkul is not laziness. It is the art of being a servant who moves and yet remembers. The one who truly moves is God. Desire, intention, and hidden resonance. Why do you seek what you seek? Is it because you lack something, or because something deep within you recognizes its own reflection? Not every search begins with emptiness. Some begin with remembrance. Sometimes you feel drawn to something as if you have known it before. That attraction is not random. It is a sign of the secret bond between your soul and destiny. Arabi said that the desires born in the heart are not always worldly whims. Many of them are echoes of the divine decree calling you. What you seek often seeks you. Every pure intention is like a frequency that resonates with destiny. The more sincere your intention, the stronger the resonance. A clouded intention driven by greed or ego weakens that frequency. A pure intention polished by patience and surrender makes the hidden path visible. This is why the Sufis say if you truly seek it, it will seek you too. So if you are searching for something, know this: it is already inside you. What you are really looking for is not in the world outside, but in the chamber of your own being. The world is only the mirror where you meet what you already carry. The wisdom of time. We are impatient creatures. A wish sprouts in our hearts and we want it to bloom today. A dream awakens and we want it to arrive tomorrow. When delays come, we call them obstacles. But Arabi reminds us, nothing in existence is random. Every event, every meeting, every portion of destiny has its appointed time. Time is not simply the ticking of seconds. Time is the divine order by which truths unfold. Something may be written for you, but its hour has not yet arrived. If it comes before its time, it will weigh you down or pull you away from yourself. What arrives in its true time brings peace. So when something delays, it is not always denial. Sometimes the delay is protection. Sometimes the delay is preparation. It is not that destiny is late. It is that you are still being ripened. To fight time is to fight destiny itself. What you rush to force often withers quickly, but what arrives with patience endures because it comes dressed in wisdom. Remember, sometimes it is not destiny waiting for you. It is you who must wait until you are ready to carry it. The mirror of readiness. Destiny is not just a gift. It is a reflection. Life does not scatter you randomly. It bends toward the state of your heart. What you are ready for, you attract. What you are not ready for, even if it passes by, you will not recognize. You are not given what you crave. You are given what you can carry. Ibn Arabi said, "The world is an echo. Whatever you hold within, the world returns to you. If you carry fear, what comes will echo fear. If you carry gratitude, what comes will echo blessing." So ask yourself, are you truly ready, or are you merely eager? Excitement is not the same as readiness. Heavily desired things may never arrive, but things prepared for with inner growth cannot miss you. Your nasib is not complete when it arrives. It becomes complete when you recognize it as what Allah has written for you. and hold it with gratitude and humility. Sometimes life withholds, because what approaches is greater than your present self. Sometimes it comes swiftly, because what awaits also needs you. This pull is not merely physical, it is spiritual, a movement shaped by the wisdom of the one who knows you better than you know yourself. That is why some people find without searching, while others search without finding. The secret does not lie in asking endlessly, but in becoming ready, in aligning your heart with Allah's timing. Waiting may appear silent, like nothing is happening. But in truth, waiting is one of the most active states of faith. It is not idleness, it is transformation. For in waiting, your heart is purified, your trust is tested, and your patience is strengthened. You are not only waiting for destiny, you are waiting for the version of yourself that can carry what Allah has written for you. And remember, not all waiting is trust. True trust, tawakkul, is when you surrender the outcome to Allah while still striving sincerely in His path. If this reminded you to trust Allah's timing a little more, subscribe and walk with us, so more hearts may return to the wisdom already written within them. Tell me, are you waiting for your nasib, or are you preparing to receive it? True waiting is not mere delay. It is a conscious posture, a listening heart, a soul that has learned to see with wisdom instead of haste. Ibn Arabi taught that time itself carries human maturity. The pauses of life are not wasted. They are hidden workshops where the soul is reshaped. When destiny delays, it is not only destiny preparing for you, it is you being prepared for destiny. Waiting is not an outer door closed, it is an inner door opening. So the question is not only what am I waiting for, the deeper question is who am I becoming while I wait? Sometimes the true destiny is not in the thing that finally arrives, but in the transformation that waiting carved within you. Destiny meets those who walk. Many imagine destiny like a passenger arriving at a station. All you must do is sit on the bench and in time it will come. But Ibn Arabi tells us destiny appears not to those who sit, but to those who walk. Walking is not only movement of the body, it is choosing a direction with your heart and mind. The clearer your direction, the more transparent your intention, the more brightly destiny reveals itself. One step can open what 1,000 prayers cannot. Not because the step replaces prayer, but because in the step is hidden prayer itself, intention, will, surrender. Destiny always unfolds in a moment, but that moment belongs to those who move. Those who stand still cannot recognize it when it arrives. Thus your nas will meet you on the road you walk. The more conscious your walk, the deeper the meeting. So what is the truth? Do we wait for destiny or do we search for it? Ibn Arab's wisdom reminds us, destiny is not a traveler who must find you, nor a treasure you must hunt. It is a conversation between your soul and the one who created it. Sometimes it arrives in waiting, sometimes in walking, sometimes it hides in delay, sometimes in sudden nearness, but always it carries the rhythm of the divine. The question is not only when will my share come, the deeper question is who am I becoming as I move toward it? For every meeting with destiny is also a meeting with yourself. Arabi taught destiny does not write new words on your life. It allows you to remember what was always inscribed in your being. If these reflections opened a window in your heart, share your thoughts below. Your words may light another traveler's path. Life often pauses you at a crossroads. Deep within your heart, you feel a quiet stirring, a sign that there is more to your journey than what you see. Yet the mind wonders, should I move forward or should I wait? It is here, between motion and stillness, that every soul asks, what is written for me? Some say, strive, for effort brings reward. Others say, wait, for what is meant will come. But the truth lies in balance between tawakkul, trust in Allah, and amal, righteous effort. Destiny is neither blind chance nor an unchangeable prison. It is the unfolding of Allah's wisdom as you walk the path He has chosen for you. What is written for you will never pass you by, but you must still walk with sincerity, patience, and trust. And if you've waited long for something that never came, do not despair. Allah's plan unfolds with mercy, and His timing is never late. Sometimes destiny isn't waiting at the end of the road. Sometimes it's hidden in the very first step, the one taken with a pure intention, an open heart, and a soul turned toward Allah. And if this reminded you to trust His plan a little more, subscribe and walk with us, so more hearts may find their way back to the wisdom Allah already placed within them. Tell me, which step are you ready to take next on your journey of trust?